going, everyone? So today, guys, I wake up so early and pack up all the stuff last night in my car, because today is we're gonna drive for 2.5 hours to visit a friend. At the same time, we have a camping today. So look at my car, guys. At the back is loaded of stuff, because today we're going to camping. And suddenly I supposed to leave at home around 8:30 in the morning, so I arrived earlier because we still have time to, have a banding a little bit before we go to the camping. And suddenly it's not a good day, because last night I put all the stuff, the tent, the luggage, everything I need for the camping is loaded in my car. So this morning you're just like gonna get ready and go. But suddenly I put everything in the car last night, and because my trunk is full, so when I hit the lock on the car, because andito na lahat ang aking kagamitan sa car, so to make it short story, nilagay ko lahat ng aking bag, gamit, para kami na lang yung sasakay in the next morning. Pero the car is not locked properly, because overloaded in the back. So whenever is the car closed, sarado yung pinto niya, hindi siya masasara kasi full nga, nag-overflow ang aking gamit. So ayun, magdamag siyang bukas, tapos trying to close the door kasi hinit ko yung lock. So nothing to do with it, and the battery is breakdown. So we try to ngayong umaga naupo na kami and try to hit the key para alis na, and hindi umandar yung sasakyan, totally nothing light. So wala, breakdown the battery. So I know tulog pa yung asawa ko, it's so early and he sleep late kasi he's working siya, guys. I need someone to jump my car because my car battery is breakdown. So and then I know nga pag tumawag ako ng road assistant is so long because it's so early. Pero that I have a two choice, either call the uncle in the back on our house, or the other uncle ng asawa ko to jump my car. Pero it's early, guys, hindi ko alam kung yung kabila tulog pa, but chinek ko yung kabilang bahay namin, kapitbahay, is wala na siya kasi nagtatrabaho yun siya. So the ended, and make it short story, we're waiting for, I called AAA to make a road assistant, and I wait for 2 hours. 2 hours, guys. So nothing to do with it. So naghintay kami ng 2 oras, and we leave. It's supposed to be alis kami ng 8:30, and we wait for 2 hours para mag-jump ng aking car, because I am a AAA member. So guys, umalis kami ng bahay 11, and I need to drive before, I need to kailangan kong dumating doon bago mag 2 o'clock, because 2:30 may inaanak, have an appointment, at yung inaanak kong bunso ay walang magbabantay. So ngayon, guys, we're driving. Sabi ng anak ko na knockdown na din siya kasi maaga siyang gumising. Nag-nap time na siya, no? Richards, Mommy, you need to drive fast. So before Tita Grace going na. kasi alam niyang may lakad si Tita Grace at natatakot siyang maiwanan kami sa camping site. So ayan guys, so now I'm try to drive faster because my GPS said dadating ako ng 2 o'clock, something like that, 2 o'clock. So I try my best to drive, not to stop much, para ma-drive ko siya ng 2 o'clock na doon ako. Kasi 2:30 guys, yung inaanak ko walang magbabantay. Kawawa naman. So yun guys, the update today guys. So today guys, we're gonna do camping and boating. So this is our summer getaway before before magpasukan ulit guys. So ayan guys, see you then pag dumating ako doon guys. Hello guys, nandito na kami sa aming bundok. Dito na kami guys sa bundok ni Tita Grace. Dito na kami guys sa bahay ng aking kaibigan. Mommy, look at guys.
No, Mommy.
They don't know that we're home. Dito na kami.
Mommy, why'd you bring those cats out?
Tita Grace, look. So we are here guys.
Mommy, turn off the guys.
Hi guys, we're here.
Mommy, can you turn off the guys?
We finally here guys.
Mommy, turn off the guys.
Hello. Hello guys, speaking muna kami apple bago kami magpunta sa camping. Look at their apple guys. Look at their apple. The apple lots. Wow, this is so lot. Look at this apple guys. We grab some apple. Look at this apple. Oh no. Look, that apple is a lot. I like those. Wow. This is free apple, guys. Look at this apple right there. Tuwang-tuwa ako sa apple na to. Yeah, this is a lot. Hindi pa siya ganun hinog guys, pero matamis na siya. Kasi bago pa kami unahan ng beer nga pala.
Yeah, tira mo.
Bahala ka diya, madir. Murang hug na amay sa apple, di na kumuad to sa picking area. Aw, unsa bay mabalaan ako hinog na.
Murag ibanguan ani mo?
Nahulog na nag-iyaw eh. Pagkuha na ako, nahulog siya iya. Kanang meron ko ana, kanang murag na pula. Bi na pa dinhi oh. Dagko na adiri oh. Ha? Si.
Ambot kisa nang nawag.
Ah, bahala sila diya. Tay kadali lang. Kausa ko gapo. Kadali lang. Ingna mi apple picking sa ko. Ah, daghan kaayo.
Kaman ani oy, kadaghan ani.
Dadun man amo ng uban.
Dili mo ra traon dito binuang.
Aw, kanas pa ko magbalik. Inigbalik na ko wala nay bunga. O sige tama na na.
Murot na nang kuan. Adra oh. Dala dito ko puno ko sa kanan.
O pareta. Ayun na. Ingon si Gian nga nung hapit man ta diri mami. Ah, okay, manghuwa pa kog apple. Ayan guys, bye apple. Daming bunga no. Ayun pa oh. Ayan. So, ayun lang picking namin guys. Madali ang picking kasi late na kami. Punta kami sa campsite guys. Ano? Ay ko. Dito na to sa akin. Ano ba to? Dali lang. Ayun.
hurry up. There's a race with me.
Ayun guys. Okay guys, see you guys kasi nagmamadali kami. I'm going to campsite. It's already 8. Bye guys, see you later. Hello guys. Today guys, nagwo-walk kami ni Gian. We drop off our stuff doon sa boat kasi tatawid kami ng magbabangka kami guys papunta doon sa camping. So, are you excited my love? Yeah? Are you excited? She took a nap guys and she's excited to see the boat. So, let's go. We gonna ride the boat. Excited siya guys. Look. So, the boat right there guys. Lakad-lakad pa kami. So, see you doon guys. We're gonna ride the boat. Walk my love. Hmm? Because it means grain is deep. Go. Can ride now. Can ride now. Killing. Who's killing? This is yours. Oh no. 1, 2, 3.
That's why I said it's supposed to be. I don't believe we can wait here if you want to run them over real quick. Go over and all over. I'm thinking about the light.
Is a lot more? Lap, lap, lap. We're gonna sit down doon with Tita Grace. Go.
They got plenty of time.
Dito siya. Sis, dali.
You wanna go over again? I'll be back.
Naman parang ang layo. Ayan, ayan.
The baby is there, oh.
Baby is here.
Just put it there in the bag. Baby,
Make it sure baby is
drop it
not.
there. You don't have baby anymore.
That guy to stand on this side.
Ay, baliktad pa lang. Man.
I'll give it to them. Go beside them. You can put them over beside them. You have to put them right beside them. Make sure you don't get rain. What's the difference?
Yeah, that's it. That's what your dad wants.
Doon na yung ayaw niya sa madira. Ay, si Madam mo, nakasubangot. Ang haba ng muso. Ang haba nga. Ay. Bakit? Diba? Brian! Bakit hindi siya nagdala ng Petromax?
Don't forget, like,